How to use mind maps for kinesthetic learning. Are you a kinesthetic learner looking for effective ways to study? Mind maps might just be the tool you need. Let's explore how to use them in a way that suits your learning style. First, instead of just looking at a mind map, create one yourself. Grab some large sheets of paper or a whiteboard. This allows you to move around while you draw and write, making the process more engaging. Start with a central idea in the middle of your workspace. From there, branch out to related subtopics. As you connect these ideas, physically move your hand or body. This movement helps link your brain and body, reinforcing what you learn. You can also use sticky notes or cards to write down concepts. Rearranging these on a surface adds a tactile element, making it easier to organize your thoughts. To make your mind mapping even more interactive, incorporate gestures. For example, tap or point to branches as you create or review your map. This small physical action can deepen your engagement with the material. You can also try combining mind mapping with rhythmic activities. Tapping your foot or moving lightly while you work can help you remember the information better. Regularly review and update your mind maps. Actively rewriting or rearranging parts keeps the kinesthetic process alive. This ongoing activity helps solidify what you have learned. If you prefer digital tools, look for mind mapping software that allows drag and drop features. This can support your kinesthetic learning by letting you manipulate ideas interactively. However, creating a physical mind map often provides stronger benefits. In summary, kinesthetic learners can greatly benefit from mind mapping when it involves hands-on creation and movement. This method integrates sensory experiences with visual organization. By actively engaging with the material, you can process and retain information more effectively. So grab your markers, some paper, and start mapping your way to better learning.